jack on that a little bit?
Sure.
Lift it up.
Yeah, looks like it wants to come forward now.
Now just pull on the.
Let's pull forward on here a little bit.
It's not lifting the car up.
Is there something else holding it on in place?
No.
No? Okay.
Good. And pull it forward.
I'm gonna have to get it, I'm trying to get it above those motor mounts a little bit.
There you go. Try to get it forward before you jack up on it too much. There you go. Now you can go up a little bit. There we
There we
go.
go. Oh my.
Now I can come forward a little bit more maybe.
Alright, look pretty under here. Yeah, it was just that transmission shaft that was stuck on.
Yep, we'll need them now.
What you think, Karen?
I think you guys are a team and I like it.
Well, we're getting there.
You can still get the transmission out today, maybe?
Yep. There you go, still maybe. You gotta hit our goal. Pollinate the list. Because then you feel like you're, worthless if you don't get the list.
Oh.
That list. You can't upset the list.
No. That's why you make a list.
That's right.
Well, you can kind of see where that distributor was hitting up there, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, that can't be good for the distributor either.
No. Yeah, definitely was rubbing on it for a while.
Mhm.
Clear down to the metal right there.
Right.
So that whole area needs to get bumped in a little bit.
How do you do that then?
Big hammer.
Is that what you use?
Yeah.
Just beat
We'll
it in?
start with that, and if that don't work, then we'll cut it out. You know. Even if
How
we
do you
get-
know how much clearance you're gonna need though? You know what I mean?
Well, I
How do you-
mean,
how do you estimate that?
I don't know. Maybe we'll put a stick across here and measure the depth where it is now, and then afterwards. Even if we got to like section it a little bit to give it some room to move, and just weld the stitch on the middle without burning.
Yeah, because it definitely, you can definitely see it was hitting on you.
Yeah.
There's no two ways about that.
You know.
Well, huh.
Get this thing out of here. I really wasn't expecting it to be that heavy. It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, well, they always say transmissions aren't lightweight.
They say that?
Well, that's what I say. I'm all vague, but I say.
Well, then we're-
We should probably stop at Harbor Freight somewhere on the line and put that new one in. We put it right on that dolly and
Oh no, we'll put the car in the lift,
Oh,
and then we'll
Oh.
put the transmission on a cart, and then we just lower the car down.
oh, okay, all right, all right. I didn't know what the game was.
That'll be a lot easier.
So you are gonna use the lift?
Yeah.
Oh, how nice.
Well, we might as well. We got
As long as you got it. No, is there another one you said, Joe?
Ooh, that sounds bad. I got it.
Sit on that blanket.
Yep.
Let's scratch it. We didn't buy a reducer, we didn't buy clear.
Yeah, well, you're gonna need all that, so.
Yeah. But we don't. I can use reducers that I have, you know, black paint for the.
But I don't know, we still need some more parts here and there for,
Yeah, there's parts.
yeah. Well, that's what I was thinking. you know.
Well, this week we can work on that list one night, see where you're at really.
Yeah. So maybe we get some parts ordered too, that we need, the ones that we need, to get them here. Get them on their way anyway. Oh, looking, well, we did accomplish.
Yeah, we got.
Probably would have gotten even a little further if we, you know, if the engine stand wouldn't have run for that.
Yeah.
But at least, I mean, kind of accomplished what you wanted to do. You got the motor out, the transmission out, drive shafts off. We got some of the front clip here taken off.
Which that wasn't as bad as I was thinking it was gonna be.
So, I mean, we're moving along.